We are pleased to show you the 2018 Sierra 2500 HD. The GMC Sierra 2500 HD has all your workhorse basics covered. No worries here. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, heated mirrors, chrome wheels, heated outside mirrors, electronic stability control, trailer brake controller, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.